behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Martin motion for the Blue Alliance. They take that center position, exit their starting zone. Their two alliance partners for the blue side of the field, Winnovation and Nicolay. They are both scoring some coral here in auto. 3 coral on L4 as auto wraps up for the Blue Alliance. That is a ranking point for blue, regardless of the outcome of this match. It does look like as drivers take control here, we did have all of the robots leave that starting zone for the Red Alliance. Some coral gets to work in the trough. That's 9760 Cristo Rey Jesuit Trailblazers for the Red Alliance, dropping off those coral into the trough, picking up some points. Their alliance partner, Intra Milwaukee, also another low to the ground robot. Their specialty, though, is algae. Really narrow drivetrain for Intra Milwaukee. They're going to manage that algae, though, get it processed if they can. They swerve their way on over to that processor. As they approach, they're looking for 6 points for the Red Alliance. Red trails 34-57. Minute and a half remains in match number 27. Winnovation 1625, they changed their manipulator over to focus on some algae. It looks like instead of reaching up to the net, they are going to process. So 6 points through the processor. That algae ends up in the hands of the Cristo Rey human player. They're going to toss it up to the Red Alliance net. It does look like it'll hang out, so a net gain of 2 points for the Blue Alliance. But Winnovation, they've got tons of room now on that Blue Alliance reef. They and their alliance partners, they're going to keep on focusing on that coral. Blue just needs a few more pieces of coral to lock in that ranking point, and the cooperation of Nicolay, Martin, and Winnovation. They're going to seal up that ranking point, and they've got the time to do it. It looks like 1 piece of coral is all that is needed for the Blue Alliance. Martin motion from Neponset, Illinois, trying to find the place to land. Nicolay is going to beat them to it, but either way, points all around for the Blue Alliance. Back on red, Cyber Cheese. They've lifted on up. Looking at L4, coral falls to the playing field floor, and in the final 20 seconds of the match, Cyber Cheese will be the first into the Red Alliance barge zone. For Blue, Martin motion and Winnovation, they're going to get there for their side of the field. Nicolay, they're still working on some coral. They're going to leave the RP to their alliance partners. 9760 also shifts their way on in for a park at the conclusion of the match. Final results of that match. Trying to take the screen now. I did copy them down. We are going to get that score post. Let's give it up for the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance takes the match 191-81 for qualification match number 27.